Naghahanap ka ba ng budget-friendly and healthy breakfast buffet dito sa Baguio City? Well, for today's vlog, yan ang i-share ko sa inyo. Alam nyo ba guys, as low as 349 pesos, meron ka ng healthy and pangmalakasan na breakfast buffet na katulad nito. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Samahan nyo ako and i-discover natin itong hidden gem na restaurant dito sa Baguio City na may pangmalakasan and beautiful view ng Baguio City katulad nito. Tingnan nyo naman guys, so very lush green and napaka-relaxing nitong restaurant na ito. Talagang Baguio feels itong restaurant buffet na to dito sa Baguio City. So ito guys ang ituturo ko sa inyo and i-share ko sa inyo. So kung balak mong pumunta ng Baguio anytime soon, this vlog is perfect for you. So guys, without further ado, let's go! Welcome to my channel, Froggy Bear Chapel. Like, share, and subscribe. So, ito na nga guys, touchdown Baguio. So, andito na nga tayo and time check, it's 7:30 a.m. So, we are on our way sa sinasabi ko sa inyo na pangmalakasang breakfast buffet dito sa Baguio City. Aside sa budget-friendly buffet na 349 lang per head, is talagang napaka scenic and very picture perfect ng view dito sa restaurant na pupuntahan natin. So alam ko guys, kanina nyo pa gustong malaman kung saan tong breakfast buffet na to. So hindi ko na patatagalin and i-reveal ko na sa inyo. So, halika na guys, pasok na tayo sa loob. Tingnan nyo guys, so napaka Baguio feels nitong restaurant na to. So, ang name pala nitong restaurant na to ay The Other Office Weekend Breakfast Buffet as low as 349 pesos. O diba guys, napaka budget friendly and affordable. Remember guys, this is only available every Friday to Sunday from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. So guys, today is Sunday kaya may breakfast buffet sila. So ito naman yung kanilang address. It's The Other Office number 6 Outlook Drive, Baguio City, Philippines. So ito naman yung contact number nila. So ito na nga guys, nagpa-reserve na tayo dito sa kanilang reception area and ang pinaka-favorite spot talaga namin dito since second time na namin kumain dito ay itong kanilang veranda area. So ito dito kami laging kumakain sa spot na to. Yan, yung table for two na yan. Kasi tingnan nyo naman guys yung view oh. Napakaganda and very relaxing and cozy ng overlooking dito. So tara guys, i-check na natin ang kanilang buffet area. So dyan yung kanilang coffee and ito naman yung mga fresh fruits nila. So yan, kukuha tayo niyan mamaya. It looks so good and so yummy. So dito naman sa area na to, ito yung kanilang egg station. So pwede dyan scramble or sunny side up. And meron rin silang iba't ibang toppings for the omelette. Yan. So, ito naman guys, yung kanilang breakfast buffet. So, yan. Ito guys is picadillo. And I think this is afritada. Tapos, check pa natin yung ibang mga food dito. So, meron rin silang mga different kinds of assorted breads and butter. So, open natin ito. Yan. Very fresh oh. So aside from that, meron rin sila ditong mga soup. So ito, cream of vegetable soup. Masarap to guys. And tingnan natin kung ano pa. So ito meron silang garlic rice and steamed rice. Tapos ito naman guys is yung vegetable, I think sitaw yan. Tapos ito meron silang sardines and fish. Tapos yan, picadillo nga and afritada. So ito guys yung overlooking yan, dyan tayo kakain sa may veranda area nila. So, yan guys. Ito yung mga kinuha kong food sa kanilang breakfast buffet. And ito yung ating brewed coffee. And syempre guys, ito yung plate ng fruits. So, tingnan nyo naman guys. So, it looks so good. So, kumuha ako ng watermelon, pineapple, papaya, and itong coleslaw salad na to. Masarap yan, guys. And aside from that, nag-order rin tayo ng egg omelette. So, ayan guys, kompleto na. And tara, let's eat. Itadaikimasu. Kain po tayo. Guys, tapos na tayo kumain ng rice and ulam. So ngayon naman, try naman natin itong brewed coffee nila and itong assorted breads nila. So talagang gaganahan ka kumain kung ganito naman talaga kaganda yung view na makikita mo. And of course, not to mention yung lamig ng Baguio. So talagang Baguio feels dito sa the other office restaurant na ito. So tara guys, tikman natin itong assorted breads nila. Tara, let's eat. By the way guys, itong nakikita nyong lush green and very relaxing surroundings na ito ay part ng golf course ng Baguio Country Club. Yes, you heard me right. Itong the other office neto ay owned and managed ng Baguio Country Club. Kaya guys, remember this, if you decide na kumain dito, meron silang dress code. In compliance with the Baguio Country Club standing policy to maintain the standard of property, patrons and respectfully required to comply with the club's dress code policy. Make sure guys na sundin nyo yung dress code nila dito. For male, bawal ang sando, jersey short, sleeveless, and sleepers. For the female naman, bawal yung revealing clothes like micro mini skirts, clothes with very low neckline. Bawal din yung very short shorts and see-through clothes. And bawal din yung rubber sleepers regardless of cost and brand. So ayan guys, take note and tandaan nyo yung kanilang dress code policy dito sa the other office. So ayan na nga guys, tapos na tayo kumain and yan nanonood kami nung naglalaro ng golf dito So very relaxing and ang ganda nilang panoorin habang naglalaro sila dito ng golf. By the way guys, kapag Monday to Thursday pala is hindi nila ino-offer yung kanilang breakfast buffet. Instead, ang ino-offer naman nila ay yung kanilang mga a la carte breakfast. So after watching this vlog, make sure na panoorin nyo rin yung isa kong vlog entitled Budget Friendly Restaurant sa Baguio City. Shinare ko dito sa vlog ko na to yung kanilang mga a la carte meals dito sa the other office. So ayan guys, pauwi na nga tayo. Pero bago yan, bili muna tayo ng famous na raisin bread ng Baguio Country Club. So yan, bili muna tayo para magpampasalubong tayo sa pag-uwi natin sa Manila. So talagang you can never go wrong pag ito yung pinangpasalubong mo sa Manila galing ng Baguio. Masarap talaga yung raisin bread nila. So guys, kung katulad kita na matagal nang gustong kumain sa Baguio Country Club pero hindi tayo member, travel tips ko sa inyo, ang best option ay kumain dito sa the other office because this place is also owned and operated by Baguio Country Club. Talaga nakaka-happy na na-discover itong very beautiful, scenic, and masarap na food na restaurant na ito. So since second time ko na kumain dito at na-try ko na yung kanilang breakfast buffet and yung kanilang mga a la carte breakfast too, so I highly recommend this place talaga for you guys. So for me, price-wise and the view, perfect place to kung gusto nung mag-chill and unwind dito sa Baguio City. Thank you very much for watching. So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, subscribe to my channel, Froggy Bear Travels, for more travel and informative vlogs. Stay safe and